How to track your progress in Rosetta Stone. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can track your progress in Rosetta Stone. To track your progress is simple. First of all, log into your Rosetta Stone account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll see different units and things that you can learn. And then the next step would be for you to get the premium version of Rosetta Stone. Yes, without getting the premium version, you cannot see the option for you to track your progress. So how do you get the premium version? Move to the bottom right corner of the screen where you can see a padlock icon. Click on it and you see different options here. So ensure you subscribe. And then once you've subscribed, your dashboard will be different in the sense that you would see your avatar icon at the top right corner of the screen next to this gear icon that you can see here. And so once you see that, click on it and a drop down menu will appear. In the drop down menu, ensure you select my reports. All right, after selecting my report, you'll be taken to your reports page. Then you have to choose the language and the time period for which you want to view your progress. Choose it, click on it, and then you would see a detailed report of your progress for each level, for each unit, and for each lesson. And you can also print or export the report as an Excel file, as a CSV file, or as a PDF file. So it's that simple. So after getting the premium version and you've made use of your application for a while, at the top right corner, you see the avatar icon next to your gear icon. Make sure you click on it, and then from there, click on my report, select the language and time frame, and you'll see a detailed progress report. So this is how you can track your report on Rosetta Stone. Thank you for watching and ensure you have a good day.